In the last video, we saw how we add some items in the set. Now let's see how we can remove some items from a set. So here, as you can see, I have a set called anime, and there I have some famous animes. Now let's see how we can remove some items from this set. So to remove, we have to write the set name, then dot, and we just call the remove method. And there, let's say we want to remove avatar. Then if I write the print statement and pass the anime set and run the code, you will see the avatar item is not available in that set. So behind the scenes, Python searches for avatar in the set using its hash. If found, it deletes it. If not found, it raises an error. So for example, I'm gonna write anime dot remove, and if I try to remove monster anime which is not available in the anime set, and then write the print statement and pass the anime set and run the code, you will see it throws an error because we are trying to remove monster which is already unavailable in that set. Let me comment these lines and run the code. As you can see, there is no output. Now instead of remove method, let's use the discard method. So here, if I write anime dot discard and I want to discard bleach from the set, after that, if I write the print statement and pass anime and run the code, as you can see, bleach got removed from the set. Now let's say I want to remove an item which is not available in that set. So I'm gonna write the discard method, and if I try to remove monster again which is unavailable in the set, let's see if it throws error or not. Print anime set and run the code. As you can see, it does not throws error. Basically it does nothing here because monster is not available in the set. So I'll suggest use the discard method when you are not sure if the item exists. In that case, discard method becomes a safer option. So the tip here is use the remove method if you are sure the item exists. Use the discard if you are not sure or you want to avoid errors. Okay, now let's define another set called fruits, and there let's say we have values like apple, then banana, and then cherry. Now let's say I want to remove banana from this set. So instead of the remove or the discard method, we can use the pop method, and if we use the pop method, we can store the removed item as well. So what I can do is I can write removed underscore item equal, then I can write fruits dot pop. Now I can write the print statement, and here I can pass removed item, and I can write the print statement again and pass fruits. Now this pop method actually removes the last item of a list or a set, but as in every run a set gets ordered in different ways, so this pop method can remove any of the values. So what do I mean by that? So if I run the code, as you can see, it removed apple from the set, and the updated set contains cherry and banana. Now if I run the code again, you can see it removed cherry, and now the set contains apple and banana. So in every run, these values gets rearranged in the set, and the pop method removes the last item from that rearranged set. So behind the scenes, pop removes an arbitrary item because sets are unordered. You don't know which one will be removed. This method is mostly used when you just want to empty the set gradually. But what if you have an empty set and you call the pop method? Let's see what happens. So let's define an empty set called empty set, super original, and let's call the set method here. Then I'm gonna write empty set dot pop. Now if I call the method and run the file, you'll see it throws an error says pop from an empty set, so it is not allowed. Now if you want to clear the whole set, what you can do is you can write the set name, in this case fruits, then dot, and you just call the clear method. Then if you write the print statement and pass fruits and run the code, as you can see in this line it removed apple. So the fruits set contains banana and cherry in this line, but when in this line you cleared the set, it made the set empty, so it just printed set and parentheses, so it's just an empty set. And that's everything you need to know about removing items from a set in Python. So let's see you in the next one.